This vegan cilantro lime crema is thick and creamy, but also citrusy, fresh, and slightly spicy. It's nut-free, oil-free, made with whole food ingredients, and so easy to make. Cilantro lime crema is usually made with a lot of sour cream, but here's how you can make the perfect plant-based swap. In a small food processor, add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, but just start with 1 and add another after tasting. Then add 1 jalapeno. To make it spicier, add a Serrano pepper instead. If you can't handle spicy food, remove any seeds before adding. Next, add in 1/4 cup of lime juice, which is about 2 limes. Then add in 1/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of tahini, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and finally add an entire bunch of cilantro, including the stems. Now blend all of these ingredients together until everything is well blended. You'll probably have to stop and scrape down the sides because it's a pretty thick sauce. Once everything is blended, give it a taste and adjust to your liking. Here's when you would add in the 2nd clove of garlic if you don't feel like it's garlicky enough. You can also add in a bit more water if you think it's too thick, and add more lime juice if it isn't citrusy enough. You can put this cilantro lime crema on burrito bowls, tacos, or use it as a dip for plantains. I also really like adding this crema to a Southwest scramble. It'll last a while in the refrigerator, so make a bunch and use it literally anywhere and everywhere. If you like this recipe, like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.